Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. So today's video is a review video. So I'll be getting monthly subscription box from Mind Box. So I'll be reviewing it every month. So this is the review video of June. I hope you guys would enjoy watching this video. And yes, those who are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, we are really close to 10k subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yes, without any further ado, just get started with this video. As you guys already know, I receive a monthly subscription box from Mind Box, which is worth at rate 850. So I'll be giving the review of all the products which you find inside the Mind box. So let's have a look at the June subscription box. So let me tell you guys, it looks something like this. June subscription box, which is very floral, also purple in color. So when I try to open it, firstly I can find this June beauty box description about whatever products I have got inside this. So the first product which I have received is a facial scrub gel. So it's from a bioboom and it supports all skin types. So you can use it as a scrub basically. So what you need to do is, after you do any kind of facial, or you can use it weekly, on a weekly basis, just apply it over your face and then scrub it well. I hope this goes really well with my skin type. I haven't used it, but yes, I'll be giving it up a try. So talking about the next product I have is my personal favorite from this Mind box. This is Elenblu Mascara. So if you guys have checked out my May subscription box review video, you would have known that I have already used the eyeliner from Elenblu and I'm quite a fan of it. So I really like this mascara. I've used it twice or thrice and yes, I definitely liked it. So it's a high volume waterproof mascara which is perfect for an eyelid and I would recommend it on a highly basis. So talking about the third product from this June subscription box I have is this skin and hair food from Plum. If you guys don't know about this brand, Plum is my personal favorite brand and I love all the products from Plum. So it is basically an oil which glows our body or hair. So it acts as a hair food and a skin food as well. And it's a hydrating body oil which contains pure gold dust and it says 24 karat gold flakes, which I feel is really good for my skin. It's a 50 ml bottle. I personally loved it. Packaging wise, it is really nice. If you want to see how to apply it, just you need to open up the cap, sprinkle 2 or 3 drops of it. It is kind of a oil stuff. You need to apply all over the skin. I can find a few golden particles inside it, which I feel would give a good glow over my face. So maybe I'll apply it whenever I want to go off for a party or something like that, or maybe at night. So moving forward, I have the next product, which is Luminous Skin Clearing Face Elixr. So it looks something like this. Smell wise, it is quite soothing and it is quite luxurious. So I'll be giving it up a try right now. So let's use it. Oh my god. So we need to put 1 or 2 drops on our face this way and then massage it properly. Oh my god, the smell is so nice. And the last product which I have in my hand is this Deep Cleanse Facial Ubtan from Shankara. This is totally an Ayurvedic product which is always natural, and also you can use it while you are going for a bath. Maybe you can make it as a paste and then apply it all over your body, and I think it would give you a good fragrance once you come out after taking a shower. So yeah, it also supports all skin types and also it contains papaya and red sandalwood. So I don't know much about this product, but yes, I would give it up a try. We get all these expensive products inside one cheap box, which is why I like Mind box a lot. Their products are really luxurious, so I'm quite excited to use them all. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on my social media. So all the links of my social media is given in the description box below. So go follow me out there. And yeah, can we say goodbye to you? So till then, take care. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.